paper. So,
and make sure to like that bell and subscribe.
And give 1,000 love likes. And we'll come to your house and buy a nice thing.
See, we're just kidding about that.
Yeah.
Going to your house. We're just gonna send a thing right to your home from our house.
I need something. Guys, just wait, guys. Okay, just guys, wait. There's nothing. Okay, wait. There's a problem. Hassan, can you hold this and let it show the paper? No need. Guys, no need. Okay, so first you fold the paper like this. Make sure to let it touch the line like this. Okay? Then you open it like that. And fold this corner. Let it be. Like this. Then you do the same on the other side. Just like this. Then sometimes you open it and let it touch. Wait. I'll do another side. Let it touch the line of the corner right there.
We're doing something wrong.
No.
Yes.
Nothing. There's nothing.
They don't talk.
Yeah, but wait, guys. Like that. And then I just fold it. I fold this small corner. Just like that. And then I fold the paper. I make it small. Just like that. It's like an envelope without. Then, I start folding or making like a shape. Wait. There's a problem. I open it then. I open it. Then I fold apart like that. And do the same on the other one. Wait. There's a problem with this. I think it's different.